Discord is a communication app for gamers that lets you easily voice chat with your friends, share photos and videos, and join servers with them. But what happens when you want to unfriend someone on Discord? In this video, I'll show you how to do it on your mobile device. So if you're ready to get rid of that toxic gamer friend, make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on this person icon at the bottom left side of the screen, and it will show you all of your Discord friends. So now what you want to do next is tap on the person that you want to unfriend, and then simply tap on these three little dots on the right side of the screen. And then simply tap on Remove Friend. And boom, now you have successfully removed someone from your friend list. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.